Hey guys, I'm Tim. I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of this AdventureWorks Power BI demo dashboard I've put together. This might look a little bit different from the normal Power BI reports you've seen in the way that a normal report will have pages on the left-hand side and these other options on the left and above. Uh, this is because I've published the report to the web so anyone can access it without having the need to go through any kind of security. Um, All right. So there's three pages to the report. There is a sales dashboard, a margin dashboard, and a league table. And I've put three thumbnails of each of the pages. So you can click and navigate to the page by just clicking on the thumbnail. And right, that takes us to the sales dashboard. And what we have here, just so I can elaborate, the AdventureWorks is a Microsoft test and training database that they use as part of the SQL Server testing and training. And what I've done, I've used that as a basis for this report. So this information is being pulled from that SQL Server database. All right, so I've just what I'm trying to demonstrate is the interactivity of different visuals within Power BI. So, for example, the AdventureWorks sells sporting goods and equipment, mainly bicycles. But what you can do is you can cross filter certain visuals. So down the bottom right hand corner, I've got sales in dollars by year. If I wanted to just look at a particular year, I can just click on 2012 and it's going to filter all the rest of the visuals by that year. Again, if I just click it again, it's going to show me everything. If I wanted to drill down, let's say I want to look at it by month rather than year, I can use this drill down function here. I just click that down arrow and I click on 2012 and there it's showing me sales by month for the year. And again, if I just turn the drill down function off, I can click on certain months. So now it is showing me sales by different months. Similarly, let's say I just wanted to look at sales in the United Kingdom, if I just click on United Kingdom and the sales by location visual, it's going to show me sales just for the United Kingdom. All right, and I can click that off there. I mean the year isn't the only visual we can drill down on. On the sales by product, if I click the drill down function, I can click on bikes and it's going to drill down and show me the different types of mountain bikes, road bikes, touring bikes. And again, I can filter if I just want to see sales just of mountain bikes, of road bikes and touring bikes. I can do that as well. And all right, so that's the essence of the sales dashboard. I mean, obviously this is highly customizable and we can make lots of changes to it. I've got a back button. I'll click on back and it's going to take me back to the table of contents. Let's go have a look at the margin dashboard. So I've tried to do things a little bit different here. By default, I've got the month set up. So the pink is showing the sales for each month, while the teal color is showing the margin percentage. So we can see how the margin percentage varies over time. Generally hovers around the 40 to 42% mark. And again, if I've got different categories up here, so if I for example, if I just click on accessories, I can see the margin percentage for accessories and how it varies over time, and it's a lot higher than bucks or clothing. And again, I can look at those individual categories. Right, if I wanted to drill down, I can click on that, and I can click on bikes, and we can just look at road bikes, and we can see their margin is slightly lower than mountain bikes. Um, and if I click control, I can select if I want to look at road bikes and touring bikes, I can do that by holding down control and clicking both those categories. Okay, and again, so I've just done a little grid view here that's showing the country sales and margin. Below that, so I've got a little, if we click the little plus sign, it expands and it's going to show you in the US, it's going to show you by state, so you can see the sales just for California and then the individual city. And if we go to, let's go and have a look at United Kingdom. We've got England, and then it's going to show you the sales by cities as well. So if we just click on London, it's just going to show me sales for London, so you can see the trend over time. A lot of people buying bucks at Christmas, obviously. All right, let's click back and go back to the table of contents. And the final page is the league table I've put together. So this is really just showing the individual sales consultants in the organization and the amount of sales they've done each month compared to last month, and then it's showing a variance whether they've grown or declined in sales, and then comparing the same month versus last year and showing the variances as well. And down at the bottom, I've just got to summarize by country. So if we wanted to, for example, just look at the United Kingdom, it looks like we just got one consultant. If we want to look at Canada, it's just these two consultants here, and same with the US. All right. Also, I've put a toggle in here so we can toggle between periods. So it's currently looking at period 3 of 2012. If I toggle to, I can see period 4. So this is now showing me period 4, and last month is obviously showing me period 3 and the variances to that. All right. That is pretty much it. Just last note, obviously the background artwork is not my creation. It was created and distributed for free on the internet, but I thought it looked quite nice, so I decided to edit it and do sort of a retro synthwave 80s theme. Um, I will post a link down in the description below, so you can click on this dashboard and have a play with it yourself. I'll also post a link to my LinkedIn profile, or there are links to my LinkedIn and my GitHub here. Please feel free to add me. Thanks very much for watching.